London, the city where I discovered myself. Where I first understood what life truly is and how to live it. Fast trains, crowded street, people lost in their own worlds. This is where I graduated. I learned so much, but deep inside, I was still searching for something more. And then one day, a message popped up, an opportunity. The opportunity was in Hyderabad, India. At first, it was just an email, but slowly it became the beginning of a new chapter. Before leaving, I went to Krishna Mandir to find some peace and take some blessings. I had some prasad, packed my suitcase, and left for the airport. From London to Delhi.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
A long flight filled with excitement, hope, and a little nervousness. Flight from London to Delhi was Air India. Well, what you can expect from Air India, and it was booked by my university, so I can't complain. Delhi airport was chaos. Crowdy, noisy, confusing. It took me some time to find the domestic terminal, but once I got out, there was comfort. Our hotel had sent a car and driver to pick us up. By saying we, I mean I met a guy from my university, someone I didn't know before. From a stranger, we became travel mates. We reached the hotel, checked in, and had a warm, delicious breakfast. After that, we crashed into our bed for a deep, much needed sleep. The journey had been long, but the real story was only just beginning. Okay, then I'll take some rest now. You enjoy a little glimpse of Hyderabad.
ये रात ये खामोशी ये ख्वाब से नजारे ये ख्वाब से नजारे जुगनू है या ज़मीं पर उतरे हुए हैं तारे बेख्वाब मेरी आँखें बेख्वाब मेरी आँखें मदहोश है ज़माना मदहोश है ज़माना.
And now the real works begins. Today is the first day at Tea Hub. This is the place where we'll be working for the next 35 days. The day began with an orientation from the Tea Hub. They gave us our tour, explained how this place works, the startup ecosystem, the energy, the collaboration. People from our university were also there. Everyone introduced themselves, and then it was my turn. When I started speaking, people from my university really connected with my thoughts. After that, we explored Tea Hub. For those who don't know, Tea Hub is a South Asia's largest innovation hub. It brings together startups, mentors, investors, and ideas under one roof. A little later, we went to explore another building called Tea Works. Basically, Tea Works is India's largest prototyping center. It's where ideas are turned into physical products with tools, electronics, machines, and a lot of creativity. Talking about what I do here, I'm working with a startup focused on aquaculture in Telangana state. I'm helping with them research and development in the aquaculture space, learning how tech can support sustainable fish farming and water-based agriculture. And yeah, that's all for now. I'll keep you updated. See you in the next one. Bye bye.